Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins. All right, let's see what they got here today. This is cute. Teleflora gift. It's in good condition. Just needs to be cleaned up. Like this. Add that to the cart. Oh my gosh, look at the CDs. That was a lot of money back in the day. Oh, here's some candles. These are ones I actually have at my current house. Looks like we got some toys, books, and binders. I told y'all in my last video, no shortage of binders at the bins. They always have a ton here. Is this a puzzle? Some more toys. This looks like some placemats. A ton of placemats. Oh man, I really like this set of frames. They're so cute, but this one's busted. You could change out the print, but how pretty would that have looked stacked? But as you can see, this one's broken, but maybe I'll get this one. I really like it. It is not looking good today. Not finding too much. Maybe they'll change out this wall while I'm here. Look, a Beanie Baby. Yeah, lots of toys and just not stuff that I am interested in. Also, lots of empty bins. They have a lot of chairs. Always love these. $2.99 for this chair. $5.99 for this beautiful chair. Oh my gosh, if they had two of these, I would definitely be tempted to get this for my dining room table. That is beautiful, and that would be super easy to recover. These are so pretty too, but you see how high that one comes up? I love that. $5. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. I love the way that the wood is with the caning right here. Oh my gosh, $5, y'all. Oh, my walk past, I don't need them. This one's $5 as well, and so is this one. So many good chairs. Y'all come rescue them from the Goodwill Bins. Here's a bunch of those little solar dancing guys. I am not seeing much of the bins. It's lots of clothing. Check out this boom box right here. That thing is cool. My husband actually got one at a estate sale and he fixed it. It's in the boys' room. Here's an amplifier for a guitar. Lots of random stuff and clothing today. Here's some Christmas stuff. This looks like a little game. There's more Christmas ornaments. They're not shiny bright, but definitely vintage. Oh, here's some pretty blue ones right here. Look what I found in the shoe bin. A bunch of baby shoes. These are so cute. I'm gonna get all of these and I'm gonna look around, make sure there's no more in here. I didn't find any more baby shoes. Look at this whole bin full of DVDs. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I love all of the matting happening here and the picture as well. I love everything about this. This is definitely going in my cart. Oh, I also got a clear tote. I've been picking these up at the bins when I find them because they're really great for organizing all of my things, and then I can see what's inside. And then this is just a sack of Legos for Ren. She loves playing Legos. I might have to look through some of these DVDs because we can use some new ones at our camp. All right, let's dig through these bins. Looks like a bunch of figurines. This is a ceramic piece that hasn't been painted yet. That's broken. Some little bowls. And here's some faux fruit. That looks like maybe a candle tray. Ooh, wooden spoon. I'm gonna get that. What is this? I think maybe there was a floral in there, but I really like this, and maybe I can put that out and put a new thing in. I'm gonna get it, see if I can do something with it. All right, I don't see anything else I'm interested in. That's a little scary. We'll leave them here. All right, I'm gonna get these 2 pieces. All right, guys, I think that is going to be it for today's thrifting adventure. It was not great. I only got a few things, but some cute stuff. So we got this wooden spoon, this, I think I'm gonna put a succulent or something in it. I don't know, I just like it. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this. That was in a bin. Love that. Precious. This artwork right here, and then also that frame, and then all of our little adorable baby shoes in this bin for me and that for Ren. That is it. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on these items. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.